This is really simple, easy for all of you doing okay. I can't do that like that because my powder is drying.
Okay, so just do how you do it and I'm okay with you.
Sorry everyone. Here is Instagram right there. If you want to do like your blue to be more, really it's up to you. You can add less white and do more blue. So I am going to pick up some of the charms. And I have some of gold flaky gold on the sides as well. I really like her. I'm gonna put her in here. Pick up some of my clear powders so then I can grab really quick my flaky foil because the powder is drying. All right, sorry Instagram. It's so fun if you do this on the clients now. I did several clients, they love it. I think I did similar, something like this for everyone. Not like recent video, we did it like before. You should want to add some of the foil here. You can as well. I have it on my side, probably you don't see it, but can you rip that some of them off for me? Just get it smaller.
Small.
No, just rip this off smaller. I mean, if not a big deal. I can using one of my collection here from a blast of colors as well. You're gonna try to help me with that. And now if you're happy with this part, I am gonna do a little clear on all the nails. And add some of my touch of colors. I'm sorry, blast of colors. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Can you take care of that pickers? Sorry everyone, I'm trying to get everything. And the nails and then the powders. It's not like when we're doing a crystal placement because the powders can set really fast if I don't move fast. So look at that. I would suggest using like or working on smaller portions at the same time at the time, because then that way you can control of a lot of things that you want to. I just want a little bit touch of it. I don't want a lot. However, if you want so much more of glitter, feel free to add it on. more on that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a clear coat on this one. Just wanna make sure I don't miss anyone though. Look like we have a long chat. Hello, Foxy. Hi, Live Rats. Sorry if I miss any of you that I couldn't say hello because I was over here looking at the nails instead of looking on the screen. So I am using the clear to cap completely these beautiful nails. Just use the body of the brush. Hey Brad, how are you? I feel you miss anything. This is fun nail to do with. I'm so obsessed with this. It's fun for summer times. Great. All right, so we're gonna let this one set as well. I am going to do 2 more of the nails with the clear, ombre